almost made a mistake here today. So let me tell you, talking to sellers can be tricky, especially those who don't want to give you a number. But you really got to hold out. You want them to say that number first. What are they willing to walk away from the property? And today that was reminded to me again, because I had a person who was looking to get out from under a property, and they were pressing and pressing for my number. And in the end, when we did our walkthrough and then did a few other things to validate our numbers, I'm glad I didn't give my number, because I finally went back to them and said, you know, I rarely do this, but I really need to know what number works for you. And would you know, their number came in significantly less than I was willing to pay. So that house is going to be under contract, and I'm going to be in a much better position than I would have if I would have stated my number first. So hold out. Wait for their number. That's probably one of the biggest and best pieces of advice I can give. Well, if you found any value here, would you do me a quick favor? Share it with somebody that could use this type of information. And if you're so inclined, return some of the value by leaving a positive review in whatever app you might be listening to this. Thanks again. I know your time is valuable. You could be listening to a million other podcasts, but I appreciate you. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.